Hi guys, today I'm going to show you a for loop in Python. Basically, there are two kind of loops. One is while, one is for. So this is the basic structure of the for loop. So first starting with for keyword. So after that in keyword, then after that the data container, anything, list, top tuple or string or range method or anything. There can be different kind, yeah, any kind of data container it should be, but you can't enter here like a single something, single value. It means, like, as an example, single number. You can't enter here 10 because 10 is not iterable. If you run here, you can get this error. Uh, int object is not iterable, but if it is a string, it can be iterable because there are two values here. Right now there are two strings. Now it is because it is there are two values. It is like a data container. Okay, like this way. So if you wanted to write for loop under for loop, it means a nested loop. You can do like that also. Right? Uh, so if you want to write if condition, you can do if condition also under this for loop. Another thing is very important. You should keep that indent here, indent space. So it can be 4 spaces from your space bar of your keyboard, or otherwise you can keep one tab of distance of one tab. So if you write here if condition, if I will write here all the even numbers from this list to show you. If number means it is getting first number first time, right? I will just check that number using module module 2 equal 0. I'm checking that first number is a even or not, right? If it is even, it will print, otherwise not. Then after that it will check the second number. Second number will come here. Then after that it will check again even or not. If it is even, it will print here. You can see the right, like this way, the output. Okay, this is the if condition under for loop. Even if you write here another for loop, we call it nested for loop for uh, anything x in number. No, I can't say numbers. I think range number. Then I will write here, print here x. You can do like this way. You can manipulate your data. You can arrange your data how do you want using for loop. Then after that you can write again another for loop if you want, for y in anything, right? My string, my dig. You can do why you can do so many things. Then I have written this dictionary here. So like this way, basically for loop, right? And other thing is, I just wanted to show you here because I have written here string. String will print definitely without a problem. I will show you. So in my string, in my my string print all the characters separately. It is printing. One other thing is, when you are printing something dictionary, when you are iterating data of dictionary, because you can see, I will show you data in my dict here dictionary. if you get a dictionary, there are couples of all are couples of data, right? Key and value separately. If I show you like this way, name is Chan, country is Italy, score is like this way. There are couple of data. When you are printing couple of data, this is correct. I can print like this way, but you see here you can get only key values, right? Key values. So how can you get that? Is only keys you have got. So how can you get your values? Only it means name and country. Then these values. So you can do two ways. You can get it two ways. One is my dict inside square brackets data, right? This way you can get that values, only values. So if you want to get keys, you have to write again something like print data like this way. Otherwise you can use you can do like this way also. Here it can be, it is tuple really. I will write key val here items, because items now it is completely different. If you wanted to get a key, sorry, if you wanted to get only these keys, you can print key like this way. It is printing nicely. If you want to get values on, if you only values, you can type here value, right? So if you wanted to get both, you can do both also. It's not a problem, right? You can get your data. But I just wanted to emphasize here this thing here, right? You can write here without brackets also. It's not a problem. It is the same way, it's running well, but this is like a tuple. But you should understand there are two variables, right? Because of the dictionary, because there are two values together. There are pair of values, key and values. That's why we are writing like this way. So I think that's all. That's all we have. We have talked about nested for loop. We have talked about if condition after the for loop, and we have talked about how to iterate dictionary values using for loop. So if you use another container anyway, a range or list or tuple or set or whatever, they iterate the you can iterate any data using for loop like we did before. You can, the one thing is very important, you should try to do yourself, you should do it practically. That is important thing. So I wish you to see you with another video.